Hi there. In this session, we will discuss about encapsulation and abstraction in Java with the help of implementational scenarios. Basically, encapsulation is defined as data hiding or wrapping up the data under a single unit. If you ask in one word what is encapsulation, so encapsulation is data hiding. It prevents other classes from accessing and changing the fields and methods of a class. That's what we use access modifiers to encapsulate the data. As I told you, if you have a class, if you make other class members public, this will be accessible outside the class, but if you want to hide the data, you can keep it most restricted, private. Then you can extend it as per the need, you can keep it default or protected, but if you don't want to hide your data by any chance, keep it public. In Java, encapsulation helps us to keep related fields and methods together, which makes our code cleaner and easy to read as well. For example, the student class has the following members: first name, middle name, last name, full name, courses, and the methods like save, subscribe, and get subscribed courses. You can see here first name, middle name, last name, and full name are the data members. Courses is also a data member. Save, describe, subscribe, get subscribed courses are methods. If you want these data members to be used inside the methods or member functions, you can keep them private so that you can hide it from accessing outside the class definition. Next, we have abstraction. Abstraction is to abstract the members of a class as essential details to be exhibited to the user. It can be achieved with the help of abstract classes or interfaces, also with the help of access modifiers. Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create object. The child class has to access the data members or member functions which needs to be accessed from the parent class by its own object, an abstract method which does not have a body. Any other child class needs to abstract methods of a particular parent class into the child one. The body will provide it and inherit it from. Considering a real example, the user only knows that an ATM machine. First enter the ATM card, then enter the PIN code of the ATM card, and then whatever amount he or she wants to withdraw will get the money, and the user does not know how the internal mechanism is there. The user just know how to operate the ATM machine, but don't know how internally it works. That is known as abstraction. Stay tuned to learn more about encapsulation and abstraction. In the next demo, I'm going to talk about how getters and setters helps in encapsulating the data and accessing the encapsulated data from outside the class definition. See you in the next session.